Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to generate your package as wheel so someone in your team can use it, or if you would like to make it to publish it as in a public for public using. So as you can see here, if you already familiar with these packages, normally these packages, any package you see in Python, it should be like this, the Python, the package name and blah blah blah, and the extension will be WHL wheel. And this, if you see, if in case you install the packages with pip, if you see pip install and the package name it will be like this. And for instance, in this case, you can install this classification. Let's see, test classific, not this one. Yeah, this one. So if you now press OK, but I want, so I would like to show you how to generate this package. And after that, we can run this install. Now, let me just delete this folder here, just to show you from scratch what I mean by that. Now, because I'm using Beauty, I have to use Beauty build. This is the easy command you can run. Click OK. See, now it will generate this wheel package and this is, what you would like to use, or your team will be using this. And you can see it's creating a new folder here, this distribution. Let's see. Now, how can we do this via pipelines? So I already showed you in the past videos how to create, how to install the Beauty, how to add some packages, how to remove packages, and also how to create a pipeline using Azure DevOps, and also how to add or install or this Beauty stuff via pipelines. So also I also explained you how to make a uh, self-agent pipeline. For me, I have the pipeline here. I have this pipeline here. So once I have a code running, it will be running in this directory. And I can show you what I mean by pipeline. If you are not familiar with pipeline, you can have a look in my previous videos. Now, this is okay, my pipeline. Okay, so last time we stepped here how to test your system and publish result. And publishing result, I mean like this. You can see you write a test cases for your system, and it will show. Yeah, here you can see it here. You have this test cases because this one is since last week. I don't know why it's still here. I don't know. Now you can also see the test cases from here. If you see pass run, and just show all, and you can see here I have this test cases. Anyway, let's back to our stuff, our topic here. Now, how to run this command, build, how to generate the package wheel via pipeline. So let me just push this here. Publishing should be the end of the pipeline, because if any step of these steps here is failed, so publishing result won't be published because it's not okay. So we stopped here last time. Now, if you see here, uh, I have added a command line. You can just see here, click add, and you see MD for instance, and you can find it here. Just add, click add, and right here, Beauty build. You can also name this build. Let me just remove this. Or it's also the same, but just to show you. But I will remove this now. And maybe one hint, I'm not quite sure if you need this or not, but let me see. I have created here command line, and here I will also have command line. I also have new command line. Now sometimes if you need to to add a command line, you have to create here add. But sometimes if you need the same stuff, the same command, you can just click here and clone. And you can see here I have install dependencies and install the dependencies copies, and just change the name and also change the copy the commands. That's it. Now let me just see, this command will generate the distribution of the packages as I showed you here. Let me close. Yeah, it will. No, projects classification. Yeah, you can see it like this here. So this command will generate this package, but it will be saved in the pipeline, in the build agent. So in the build agent, you can see I have my build agent in this directory agent, and you can see work. This is the repo I'm running now, and you can see this is the distribution, but I will remove it now just to make sure that everything is running okay. I will also remove the artifacts so we know what we are doing. Okay, now as I said, build Beauty build, it will generate the distribution and save it in the build directory, in the build directory. For instance, this is the agent, this is the build, this is the code. Let's see here in the source code, and the distribution will be here in this directory. Now I need to copy this build directory, this distribution, to another directory, to artifact. Let's see, artifact directory. So here I need to copy this build, distribution from build source directory. As I said here, this is a build source directory. I will have once I run this build command, it will generate the distribution. Now, if you see here, this is the work for, I know this is the for repo, let's see, and here the source code, source directory, and build source directory, the distribution will be here. Okay. Now I need to copy it from here and put it in the artifacts directory here. So what I can see, I can write here, build artifact staging directory. This is called the artifact staging directory. Then the build repo name, I need the repo name or as well. Then the distribution, the distribution folder, and the content, all the files. And for this, you can identify which file you need. Let's see, if you need only a wheel, it will only copy this. If you need all the files or generated files, it will be all. Now, if you see in advanced, you can see clean target folder. It means I will try first to remove anything in the artifact directory here and overwrite it. And you can also add this. It's fine if you want to remove this. Now, but sometimes you have let's see another distribution or another version of this of the of the package, another version. But for now, it's fine. Now let's go back. Now I copy this distribution folder from build directory to the artifacts. Now I need to publish this distribution artifacts and put it in the repos in the build agent in the Azure DevOps. So I will show you in a minute. Now I see here publish path to publish. It will be, this is the path you would like to publish. Let's see, and here it should be the same like this. I copy it as this. This is a target. Now the target will be as a path to here, and you just can copy and paste. Okay. Now you need to make a artifact name. I just put it as a, let's say, a dynamic. dynamic name. And here's the repo name, and this is the build number. So because if you run the build agent, the build pipeline, every time it will be increasing by one, and etc. Now, and you see here artifact publish location. It's Azure pipeline. It will be saved in Azure pipeline, or you can share it in another server. Let's say I'm connecting to there's a, let's say, server for the group, and instead of put it here in this artifact, I can put it in a file in a directory of the server. But for now, I choose this one here. Let's see. Yeah, you see here. Would you like to zip or tar this artifacts before uploading? If so, you can click here. If not, just keep it like this, because the in my case the file it's nothing. It's just a few kilobytes or maybe megabytes. And I think that's it. And let me just run this. First, I will have a look in the pipeline, the build agent, and build agent, the distribution folder, it's not here. I can also delete this. And if you see here in the artifacts, nothing is there. So I will try now to run this, remove this. I'm now in the develop branch, selecting the pool agent pool. Let's see, it's this one here. And I also had a video on that. You can have a look on the list. I will save and run. Now the pipeline will be triggered, and you can see here. In case your pipeline is not triggered, try to be sure that make sure that the you already in the you run, let's say, the pipeline. Well, how to run this? Either you go to the pipeline folder, this here you are already downloaded it, and right click and open a terminal here, and just try to run this command, this one, and it will try to listen for the jobs. If you see it, it's not this one here is queued or maybe disabled. Now you will see. Now you can see the test. The test, it should be generated. Let's see in the, yeah, GUnit is already generated. Distribution as well generated. Now I will see the no, the artifacts. I will see and make sure if it's already copied to this. Now I have seen it here, and you can see the name was the repo name, and here the build number. Now let me just see, go back to this, to the pipeline. This is many warnings, but this is fine. And here you can see the test cases. And here the most important thing is one published and one consumed. So this is, you see, our distribution or package is already uploaded here. So this is our package that is generated in the locally in our PC. Let's see. So this is the one it's generated here. And this is how to upload or make artifacts. First, how to build your package, then how to upload it as an artifact. Now, last step, let's say you have done this and they will download this. I will try to show you how to consume this artifact in the next videos, but let me just see. I need to download this bib install distribution, then classification. This classification. Why it's not completing? Let's say assume this is you already give you color or give me this wheel or package. What I can do is in my PC, I don't need, let's say this the whole repo now. I'll just install this in my PC, and I can use it directly. Can install package because no folder distribution. Why that? This is the directory. Pip install test classification. Right now it should be this. And see, it will try to install any library in this directory here. So it will make it running in your PC without this toml file. I think that's it for today, and see you next time. Thank you.